Diversity, non-discrimination, fairness. We usually tend to think that the AI systems are objective and bias-free as they are based on data and logic. Nevertheless, there is never such a thing as unbiased data. The purpose for which the data is collected, the person collecting it, and the decision on what data is included or excluded, these are human choices. These choices are influenced by our own human biases, even unintentional ones. Apart from that, the data used to train AI is historic. Feeding this data to an AI system will result in repetition of any biases that are embedded in that data. For example, if the police uses historic data for predictive policing, the outcomes will likely be a repetition of the past and create a feedback loop where the same groups are targeted over and over. In this process, any biases and discriminatory practices from the past will be repeated, amplified, and systematized towards these groups. Apart from the amplification of bias and feedback loops, the groups that are targeted could be targeted not because of an actual suspicion, but merely because of a characteristic they happen to share with past criminals. In order to mitigate these risks, it is important to have an adequate oversight system in place which overlooks systems' purposes, constraints, requirements, and decisions. Engaging people from diverse backgrounds and disciplines is crucial here. To make AI systems fair, it is also important to make using them accessible, meaning that they should be designed in a way that all people can use them, regardless of age, gender, abilities, or characteristics. It is important that the AI system does not have any one-size-fits-all approach, but rather that the developers address the widest possible range of users, following relevant accessibility standards. Avoiding discrimination and ensuring fairness can be further enhanced with stakeholder participation. When designing the AI system, it is important to consult stakeholders who may directly or indirectly be affected by the system throughout its lifecycle.